Welcome back to the MultiSites YouTube channel. If you're a dentist and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your dentist practice, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your dentist practice. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We actually have currently over 900 for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, dentist. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's MultiSites a few basic details about our dentist practice so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for your dentist practice with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're very high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your practice that you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to you, your background, and how you got into the dental industry. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible on my website for my patients to see. Phone number, let's put it in. That is click to call, by the way. And your address, your physical location. When your website's live, your customers can, or your patients can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links. If you are active on any social media platforms, put them in over here. The social media icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, if you have a logo, go ahead and upload it here. If you want to make slight amendments to your logo, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right, we can make our logo bigger and smaller. With MultiSites, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, maybe you have a color theme going in your dental practice, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, no color coding needed at all. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through that photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. And if you have an Instagram account, you can literally pull in all those Instagram photos with a click of a button. And update action, we have the call to action buttons, the text. Let's change the text over here, and the link. You can click link the buttons to various places. You can even link to another website if you take online bookings, and a PDF file maybe with more information on your rates and services. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers or your patients can easily reach out to you with their queries, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your practice, go ahead and upload it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain for your practice, you really want one to make your website look more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, click on that button as well. You have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the MultiSites platform for your dental practice. Really wishing you and your practice Multi success.